Hey everyone, welcome to Joanne Folk Kitchen, where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this step-by-step guide on how to properly wash and prep your fresh callaloo before cooking. Alright, so I have a whole bunch or bundle of callaloo here, which is 10 stalks. And the first thing I like to do is to go through the leaves to see if there are any insects, as well as remove any of the leaves that have been damaged or bitten or eaten by insects. I also remove the seeds, which is this part here. Once that is done, I then fill my sink up with some water. Add a few tablespoons of salt. Along with a few tablespoons of vinegar. I use white distilled vinegar. However, you can use apple cider if you wish. So I'm going to give that a quick stir and then submerge my callaloo. And I'm going to leave them to soak for 5 minutes. So there's an outer part of the stalk or stem of the callaloo that needs to be removed, which makes it tough. More so on the older part of the stem, and this needs to be removed. So I'm going to strip away that, and this is actually what we call stripping the callaloo. So to make the process easier, I'm going to cut the stalk in two. So use your knife, make a very tiny incision. Use your thumb to grip that, and then peel that back. Like so. And of course, you will discard this piece. And you do both ends. Another way that you can strip it is that you can just cut the base of the stem to most of the way, and then you lift and then peel it off like so. And it's best to get a smaller knife. I'm not able to find mine at the moment, so I'm using this one. So once I'm done stripping all of this off, I'm going to go ahead and give my callaloo another wash under running water. So once nice and clean, I'm going to go ahead and cut these up. And usually I take a few stalks at a time. Line them up. And then cut. I like to store mine in a Ziploc bag, and you can keep it in your fridge from 1 to 2 weeks depending on your fridge, or you can store it in your freezer for it to last longer. And there you have it, how to properly wash and prep fresh callaloo before cooking. Hope you found this video to be helpful. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and join the movement to the channel's first 1,000 subscribers. I'd really appreciate the support. You can also follow me on all my socials, which are linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.